Singer Anita Dengah, who has had a stint performing with veteran musician Ben Mankamba, on Thursday performed at Alliance Francaise de Blantyre, where she shared the stage with old-timer Jack Allison during Sounds of Malawi Acoustic session. Dengah, who also stars with Nep Sounds, is yet to put on the market her own songs, but he has proved her potential, coupled with a unique voice through playing covers. Drawing inspiration from musicians such as Ketura, Dengah, who also prides in featuring in Baba's song film and Tikwere series, saved a number of covers that dragged the audience to the dance floor. During a question and answer session, Dengah said she wants to take a different course in her music and that she wants to remain rooted to authentic sounds.
So my journey has really been very long as an artist.
Be honest.
It hasn't been easy, okay? So after that song, Baba's song movie, I was still in school. I had to finish school.
The artists later went on a break before the host introduced a surprise artist in Allison, who was based in the country in the 1960s before going back to the United States of America. Known for healthy education songs such as Ufa Wamteza and Chiwewe, the 81-year-old artist has recorded close to 100 songs.
Tremendously exciting because this is my second home.
As you well know, I was here all of 67, 68, 69. I lived in the village, I learned Chichewa, and I've worked with Malawians the whole time. And I discovered that I could write music. I did not know I could write music. And when I was back as a kid in college, I took 2.5 years of formal voice training. But I'd never written one song before I came here. And today, I've written almost 150 songs. So once I got started, I've kept going.
Former USA Ambassador Janine Jackson also patronized the showcase.
I have been away from Malawi for 10 years, and I feel like coming back to the warm heart of Africa, Malawi has always been in my heart. And one of the most important things about coming back to Malawi is the music. I've always loved music in general, and I'm actually a pretty good pianist. But what I really like is the rhythms of Africa. And so meeting and joining Peter Mamwanga at our Age Africa celebration was wonderful.
Somebody's